In the ever-evolving realm of virtual reality interfaces, our team has taken a step to explore user interactions beyond the confines of conventional 2D screens. This project aims to introduce a novel approach to VR gestures and their seamless integration with other digital devices. As users embark on their journey into Fusion, they are greeted with an intuitive on-screen guide, gently ushering them into a world of unparalleled interactions. This deliberate onboarding ensures users seamlessly adapt to Fusion's innovative gestures. Our first interaction showcases a haptic hand gesture, enabling users to effortlessly scroll through content with a simple thumb movement on their palm. This intuitive palm swipe gesture provides seamless navigation, allowing users to master prolonged swiping for precise control over text speed and an unmatched reading experience. Transitioning into the second interaction, users are challenged to select text using a meticulously designed gesture. This raycast-based interaction allows users to precisely choose the starting point and effortlessly drag the selection to its destination. With a simple two-finger gesture, adding a layer of convenience text can be seamlessly transferred between devices by grabbing and dropping it onto the clipboard. In our third and final interaction, Fusion users are invited to revolutionize input methods through an elegant, long pinch gesture. Users can rename files using their connected mobile devices as a virtual keyboard. This dynamic interaction opens the door to a myriad of possibilities, from file management to an easy input gesture for collaborative content creation. Fusion's innovative gestures unlock a treasure trove of use cases for a new era of virtual connectivity. These gestures not only enhance the user experience within the VR environment, but also seamlessly bridge the gap between the virtual and physical worlds,